Hey innovators, welcome back with a new tool that can be game-changing for your content creation. We're talking about InVideo and its AI feature that allows you to create videos from your ideas or your exact script using stock footage. Sounds crazy, right? Let's do this now. First, search for InVideo in any search engine like Bing, Google. From the search results, click Free AI Video Generator with InVideo AI, or just visit invideo.com. Then, sign up with an email account or log in if you already have an account on InVideo. For us, we're signing in as we have an existing account. After signing in, you'll see a box where you can write or paste your video idea. And from the bottom, you can clone your voice to use it as the video's voice. Now we're creating a quick script using ChatGPT and copying it. Then, returning to the InVideo screen, we're pasting the script into the text box and selecting the category from the bottom as Instagram Reel. Then, we're selecting the voice, accent, subtitles for the video, and the stock footage option, clicking on Continue, then Generate Video. It will analyze the details, and then you'll need to select the audience details, video category, and platform before clicking Continue again. Now, it will use the idea and theme of my text to create a video for me. Let's see the result.
Cold truth, the chasm between your current state and desired reality is bridged by the actions you're stalling on. Each tick of the clock in uncertainty is a tick your aspirations drift further into the abyss. Excellence isn't a tomorrow thing or a later thing, it's a now thing. Crush those objectives, construct the existence you're worthy of. This journey isn't solely about accumulating wealth, it's about generating value, about crafting a legacy. The time for action is nigh. The moment has arrived to seize the day, to reach out and grab hold of your dreams. Remember, the difference between where you are and where you want to be is the action you're hesitating to take. Now, go forth and make your dreams reality.
Next, we have the most interesting part. We will create a video from any exact script we input into the text box of InVideo. We're selecting Script Video from the bottom of the InVideo screen, then pasting our exact script into the box. Selecting the inspiring background music type by writing it, selecting the voice and accent, then clicking Continue, then Generate Video. We'll wait while it analyzes. Now selecting the audience, look and feel of the video, and platform, and then Continue. Now, waiting to see the result. And there you go.
Listen up. The difference between where you are and where you want to be is the action you're hesitating to take. Every minute spent in doubt is a minute your dreams drift further away. Commit to excellence, not tomorrow, not later, but right now. Let's crush those goals and build the life you deserve. It's not just about making money. It's about creating value and leaving a legacy. Let's get after it.
Now, if you want to export the video from InVideo, click on the Export button located at the bottom right side beneath the video. Then you will see the Export option. Exporting videos without any watermark requires a premium package, but it's worth it as it will save you hours of content creation time. Thank you again for being a part of our AI Innovators Corner. Until next time, keep innovating. Want to make money with AI? The AI Innovators Corner newsletter is your ultimate guide. Enjoy a free 1-month trial and get exclusive access to top-tier AI tools and resources. Each month, you'll receive groundbreaking AI updates, the best money-making AI tools, and our Best Tool of the Week feature, along with weekly AI tutorials delivered straight to your inbox. Don't miss out. Check the description for your free trial. No strings attached.